In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Left 4 Dead 2 split screen on PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The quickest and easiest way to play Left 4 Dead 2 split screen on PC is to acquire a certain add-on. So, on the main screen, go into the add-ons option and you have to download this add-on made by Café Cartones, SFK Teams Custom Menu. So, select Browse Workshop over here and look for this mod, SFK Teams Custom Menu. Once you find it, all you have to do is click subscribe over here, and when you go back to Left 4 Dead 2, it will be listed under your add-ons. When you click done and you go back to the main menu, you will notice that it is much different, and now you have access to the split screen option. Before you even queue into split screen, go into the options, go into keyboard and mouse, and make sure that the developer console is enabled and that gamepad support is enabled if you are going to use a secondary one. Once you make sure that both of these options are enabled, click done, and now you can queue into split screen. Choose the specific mode that you want to use, and you can even choose between horizontal and vertical. Now, once you queue into any map, any difficulty, and wait for the game to load, you will be able to play with your friends on split screen. Like you saw in the beginning, you can choose between horizontal and vertical, whatever is most comfortable for you and your friend. And as long as you have the controllers or the keyboard connected, you will be able to control them. I won't be able to fully demonstrate this because I don't have a friend with me, but you will be able to set up the controls and play through the entirety of the map. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Left 4 Dead 2 split screen on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.